Alright, 23, we're solving for m. Well, the first thing I'm going to do, again, the thing is try to eliminate everything surrounding the m. The goal is to get m isolated by itself on one side of the equal sign. So the first thing I'm going to do is look at this 1 over 2 times L. And I'd say, gee, the way to make this into 1 would be to multiply both sides of the equation by its reciprocal. So if I were to multiply the left side by 2 times L over 1, make that F, and do the same thing to this side, 2L over 1 times 1 over 2L times the square root of F over M. This right here, this portion turns to 1. 2L over 2L equals 1. So, and 1 as a multiplier can cancel. So doing that then, this now becomes 2 times L times F is equal to the square root of F over M. Okay? Now we're going to try and get rid of the square root. And the way to get rid of a square root is to square it. So we're going to take the square root of F over M, and we're going to square that. And what you do to one side of the equal sign, you do to the other. So we're going to square that expression. Okay? So the square root and the square cancel each other. Here we're left with 2 squared L squared F squared is equal to F over M. And then to further simplify the left, we'll make 2 squared into 4. So we have 4 L squared F squared is equal to F over M. Well, if I set this up properly, let's work the little magic here. Let's cross multiply. So now I have 1 times F, which is F, is equal to M times 4 L squared F squared. Cross multiplication. And now solving for M, all I need to do is divide. So we're going to take this expression right here. Let's just grab it and make a copy of this. So I'm going to take this expression right here, and I'm basically going to divide both sides of the equation by 4 L squared F squared. So I'm dividing this whole multipliers, all these factors, by these factors. Something divided by itself just becomes 1. So on the right we have M times 1. Over here I have F over 4 L squared F squared. Finally, here's my final answer. M is equal to F over 4 L squared F squared. So that's my answer for problem number 23.